is Kalaivanan. In this video, we can see about business model canvas for my project company, Flexport. So the key partners are development and maintenance cost of the website and biometric authentication of the system, personal costs, marketing and user support expenses. Then key activities are biometric data collection and verification, website development and maintenance, inventory, user support and training. Then key resources are biometric authentication, online platform and website development, inventory management system.
Hi, my name is Dinesh Raj. I need to share about customer segment. Low income household government agencies responsible for ration distribution and ration shop owners applicable. And then revenue stream. Revenue sources include government feeding and transaction and partnership with ration shops. And cost structure, government agencies for data sharing and support. Biometric technology provide ration shop owners if private shops.
Myself, Jagabadi, I tell about the BMC's value proposition. The value proposition of my project is the secure and convenient ration product ordering and enhanced security through biometric authentication and efficiency inventory management and transparency and accountability in distribution and contactless distribution, particularly during health crisis. And then customer relationships are user support through the website and transparent communication regarding ration availability and distribution. And then my channels are online platform for users and biometric authentication for user identity verification and admin panel for the system administration.